Well, after you receive the goods, there should be a controller and a gas detector installed on site. The number of detectors depends on your location. If we wire, first you need to open the lower half of the toolbox. After opening it, we can see the terminal blocks inside the host. This is a 4-bus terminal block, and then this is the third line. It is the terminal for the 3-line signal of the branch line. As for the terminal blocks, you can see a total of 3 horizontal rows and 12 vertical columns. Each vertical column corresponds to a channel. That is to say, the first channel, the second channel, all the way back to the 12th channel. Then this row is the positive electrode of the power supply at the top. The middle is the power negative. At the bottom are the 3 rows of signal inputs. And on the right, this is a terminal block of 2 sets of wires. This host is multifunctional. And now we're going to look at the detector again. If the detector is open, the dome above should be unscrewed first. After unscrewing it, you can see that there is a display panel inside. Lift the edge up to see the terminal blocks inside. The terminal is inside a detection instrument. You can see that there is a positive electrode at the top and the negative electrode in the S level correspond respectively. Just connect to the wiring corresponding to plus or minus S on the host side. So now I'm going to show you the wiring. First of all, we have to connect these 3 sets of wires to the detector. Let's take the first channel now. Connect the signal line first. S level line. One end is connected to the S terminal on the host. The other end is connected to the S class in the detector. It's connected, and then we now connect the negative electrode of the power supply. You're seeing first wire. This wire is connected to a channel first, power negative. Connect the detector DM output. You can see that the negative electrode of the power supply is connected in this position. Take this position, then the detector is connected to this position. The negative electrode of this power supply is well connected. Now we reconnect the positive side of the power supply. It's the same principle. Connect one end of the positive electrode of the power supply to the host first. The other end is connected to the positive electrode of the detector. You see here the positive electrode corresponds to the positive electrode of the detector. The negative electrode under the negative electrode corresponds to the negative electrode of the detector. The bottom S level corresponds to the S level of the detector. Just connect the corresponding 3 wires. If there are multiple detectors, just repeat the add the detector to the back. Each detector is connected by 3 wires to the main frame. The host has dual power supply from main and backup power. Under normal circumstances, you need to supply 220 volts to the host. If the power goes out at 220 volts, if there is an accidental power outage, there is a backup power supply inside the host to support the normal operation of the equipment. Because we don't have 2,200 power supply at this location now, I directly use the backup power on the main unit to supply power. The back power switch of the host is in this position. Let's turn on the back switch now. Okay, you can see that the host is now powered on. It's already lit up, and our detector is now also charging. It's already warmed up. Our warm-up time takes about 3 minutes. After the host is powered on, we need to search for probes. That is, if you have new detectors or there are reduced detectors, all need to search for detectors. The way to search for a detector is to first press the menu key and enter the password. 4 ones, up key is turned on, up and down, keys to size. Enter the first one, press the S key to shift, lose again, shift again, lose again. After typing, click the OK key to enter the menu. Then we press the button to scroll down. Find the search, then click OK. You can see that the current state is waiting. It means it is needed. Waiting for you to start searching. Okay, that's order. Okay, now you can see that the device has started to find and found the detector in our channel. Well, if the detectors you search for have already arrived, you can directly click OK to confirm. Or you are not sure if the search is complete. Just keep waiting, wait until it completes its search. We've done our search now. We won't wait. Click OK. Now click the OK prompt again. This finish indicates that the search is complete. After the search is complete, you have to remember to press OK again. Tip to save. After saving, press the back button to exit the menu. Press the back button again to exit. Our probe says the search is complete.